Let us do an experiment which is called leak-proof bag. Leak-proof bag experiment. It is used by using pencils, sharpened pencils, zipper lock, water and few tissue papers. Let's experiment. First of all, take the sharpened pencils and finely sharpen the pencils. Then fill the bag with water. Halfway fill the water. Next, seal the bag. Seal the plastic bag. Lock the bag with so that water may not come outside. Next, gently push the pencil. Gently. Push the pencil to the other side. Like this. Next, push another pencil. See, in this way, push the another pencil. See how these pencils can fit. Hold the bag over the sink. If you think that water may leak, here water is not leaking. So in this experiment, you can do this with grocery bag, plastic bag also. In this experiment, the zipper lock plastic bag which is used is low density polythene, LDPE we will say. It is a low density polythene made out of polymer. In these long strands of polythene, it is just like a spaghetti, cooked spaghetti. These sharpened pencils easily slip through the spaghetti, like the spaghetti. This polythene bag is like spaghetti, and these pencils are easily slipped through the spaghetti. And it is flexible to form a temporary seal. If you want to remove this pencil, make sure you take to the wash basin and remove the pencils. This is the experiment about leak-proof bag experiment. This is today's experiment. Thank you for all. What is the science behind Ziploc bag experiment? The science behind Ziploc bag experiment is polymers. What are polymers? Polymers are long chain of repeating molecules. These are flexible and can stretch. And Ziploc bag also the same. So it is in this experiment Ziploc bag is used. What happens when pencil punctures the bag? Stretching of polymers takes place and self-sealing mechanism takes place. When the bag is punctured, self-sealing mechanism takes place and stretching of polymers also takes place. Why does water doesn't leak? Can anybody answer? Why does water doesn't leak? Because surface tension of water and elasticity of water. Surface tension of water and elasticity of water, these two are the reasons why water doesn't leak. What happens when pencils are removed? When pencils are removed, water leaks. It creates a hole in the place of the polymers, stretching polymers. This is experiment. This is some of the observations about the Ziploc bag experiment and some knowledge about the polymers.